back.
I'm not doing it.
Good.
It could have been. I'm watching them carefully. Woo! Oh, you get that one.
Good catch.
Yeah. That's a redo.
That one could have been your face.
Yeah.
Oh, I got that one.
Too close.
Cliff doesn't take favorably when people break his nose.
I know, that would have been the second nose breaking.
That's a good one. That's awesome. That gets you a base.
Man, that hurts more than actually hitting the ball.
Yeah.
Both.
Yeah.
Mostly physically. I already know I'm not good at this. Thank you.
Watch it come all the way into your bat. There you go. Wait till you see it on YouTube, Jordan.
Alright.
Hey, Jordan, try to let it get a little deeper in there when it's coming, because you're hitting it way out here. Try to let it get a little deeper.
Okay.
Still swing just as hard, but try to let it get deeper. There it is.
Dang, that could go so hard.
You wouldn't get that out of me. Yeah, she does too.
Yeah, that's way better, Cliff.
Oh.
You have to wait a long time with this.
It makes me worried. Like, am I going to get to it in time?
You get to it. It doesn't seem like it.
No.
Hey man, you got sand all in your mouth.
Serious. It's gross.
Face it.
It's a guy, doesn't care.
He didn't even care. Just a little crunch.
I get grossed out just like if I get a grain at the beach
Seriously.
or something.
Seriously. You don't even want to eat at the beach.
Oh, sorry. I was not paying attention.
So that was key for me. Waiting for it to come in first.
That's the hardest
Oh,
part.
sorry.
Yeah.
That is definitely.
Wait till that's on YouTube.
Aha! The problem is he's the one that puts them on YouTube.
See, that one feels like rubber.
One of them
I
is.
did not feel the ball at all. Yeah, base it. Sun's getting a little warm. Last two.
Oh, no,
Oh, you're not done
I'm
yet?
not done.
oh, that's a strike.
That was good. I didn't want to swing because it was too high.
You just didn't see my big head like in the camera like 20 times.
No, you're alright.
Walk as good as a hit, Jordan.
walking.
Hey, picture. You're hot?
The sun's like, bam, just came
I'm cold.
out. You're all in a sweater and
I'm
jeans,
too.
two jackets.
Yeah.
Mommy likes it and faces it.
They're practicing.
Is purple your favorite color?
Well, not right
Yeah.
now.
Is purple all your guys' favorite color?
Not right now. I know. Just really.
Unless you do it again. Then that was too much stuff.
You can wait,
Making
please.
all the time.
You can wait for a minute, please.
What does that mean?
Elsie, we don't need to do that, please.
Well, who wants a broken ladder? Doesn't make sense.
Nice, Jordan. Why are you guys in purple and she's not?
Last one. Run it out.
Her purple outfit
I'm
was
running
dirty.
it out. Run it out.
Let's hop down, please, ladies.
Oh.